Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun video. Today we're gonna be wrapping Christmas presents. So I already started wrapping one right here. I'm not the best Christmas wrapper, you guys, for Christmas presents, but I'm doing the best that I can. And I have one right here that I already wrapped. So I have some presents for my sister and I'm hoping you guys can help me wrap them. So I have several different wrapping papers right here. Let me show you what we're going to be working with, you guys. So I have this plain one that's really peppermint-like. You see I have my peppermints on my tree. And we're going to be using this one. And I already boxed one item up and wrapped one item up with that one. Then we have the cute, fun snowman one right here. We're going to be working with this. That should be pretty cute. Then we have, of course, more snowmen in the red. I thought that was really, really pretty. I like just to make it look a more adult-like when I give an adult a present, even though I like it to look fun also. I like the gift wrap paper that has the shine on it. Now, this one doesn't have the shine on it, but this one was just so cute and it's white. So I thought this was really, really cute. I thought these three looked really, really nice. The peppermint one and the two snowman one, for the theme for under, you know, a Christmas tree. That way it's not just all over the place with all different mismatch, you know, presents. But I thought that would be really cute. I'm going to grab one of my peppermints off the tree, you guys. Let's just go with this one. Okay, so that while I wrap, I have something to keep me occupied. So don't mind me. But yeah, okay, let me go ahead and just get a piece of this. Okay, good. Okay. So we're going to be wrapping. What we're going to be wrapping, we're doing a Coach unboxing. So I have this right here for my sister, you guys. This is so cute. This is one of her Christmas presents. This is the Coach North-South Mini Tote. I love these. I fell in love with these at Coach, you guys. This is the North-South Mini Tote. And this color is called Pewter Gray. Or is it Mist? It's on here. It's on the tag. Right here. The color is Gray Mist. So I'm going to put her tags back in here for her, so that when she gets it, she has a nice new item. And the color is Gray Mist, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this baby. So I'm going to talk about the bag a little bit more, but I want to show you what I'm going to be using to wrap it. So while I was at the Coach store recently, I did a huge haul for myself and for some girls. And they gave me the extra stickers for when I'm wrapping presents. You know, I can go ahead and use these Coach horse and carrot stickers on all my different packages. Then, of course, I got wrapping tissue paper. They gave me the Coach tissue paper. I have several sizes of the different boxes that I can use for different, you know, whatever I'm wrapping. Several different sizes of the Coach boxes. So yeah, this one I just went ahead and I think it's going to fit in this size right here, because the other size that I have is going to be too small, or this is too small, so this will be for something smaller. And then I have some that are a little bit bigger, so I think we're going to go with one of these boxes. And what's really good about them is that the top, you know, it's just one piece. The box is just one piece and it's foldable. Then they gave me, to wrap all the presents that I bought, different size Coach bags, the shopping bags, so that, you know, I could decide which one of these this box is going to be able to fit in. And I think it might just be able to go with the smaller one right here, because that bag isn't too big. So let's move these out the way. So I think we're going to go with a smaller box and one of the smaller bags when we wrap this particular present right here. So let's go ahead and get started wrapping this. Is it upside down? Let's go ahead and get started wrapping the bag. Let me go ahead. I don't think, yeah, this is enough tissue paper probably, maybe too much. I'm skimpy on tissue paper. I like to wrap it with one and then use one or two around it. We don't need to waste up any tissue paper. So I'm going to start off with two and put the rest to the side for right now. And I went to the Dollar Tree and just got all different types of tape. So I have some USPS postal tape, and then I have some other tape right here, Scotch tape that I got from the Dollar Tree. Let's go ahead and get started with this bag. So first of all, I want to say this bag is so nice because the North-South mini tote can hold your cell phone, some keys, a lipstick, all your milk, your money, ID, lipstick, and keys. You guys know I'm heavy on that acronym milk. So just your essentials, you guys, not a whole bunch of stuff. And this has a magnetic closure right there, has a nice magnetic closure that secures your items in the bag. That's the interior. You see, I have her tags right there. It has 2 card slots, has a very pretty beige interior. And this color is Gray Mist. The guy that was at the coat store, there was a male sales associate. He was so nice. He was so friendly. He told me that this Gray Mist, you know, sometimes it can look like gray and sometimes it can look blue. And he's right. It's on camera. You could see the hint of the blue coming through on this lovely bag. You can see that it looks pewter gray or pewter blue, but the color is Gray Mist. Let's go ahead and wrap this baby for my sister. So I think I'm going to take the strap off so it'll fit in the box better. And I'm going to put her strap inside. I'm just going to wrap it around and put it inside. I'm going to put it inside the bag so that, you know, when she opens it, everything will be in there. The tags will be in there. The strap will be in there. Okay, so her tags are in there and her strap is in there. So this is what we're working with. This is how I'm going to go ahead and put it. First thing I'm going to do is wrap it in the tissue paper. And I'm going to use more tissue paper. So for right now, I'm just going to wrap it. I think I might have to fold the straps. I think I'm going to have to wrap it with this handle down. Because if I leave the handle up, it might be too big for the box. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and put the handles down. And then when I wrap it, it'll fit in the box better. This is going to be kind of tight for this box, you guys. And the next box up is a rather large size. So let me go ahead and try to tightly wrap it. Like I said, I am not the best wrapper, but we're going to try here. Okay. We're just going to do a quick 1-2. It's okay. It's the thought that counts. That's going to be my excuse for my poor gift wrapping skills. It's the thought that counts, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put, before I put the pretty little Coach tags on there, I'm going to put some tape on there first. Because if I just put those on there, that might not be enough to hold it. That's just for aesthetics, so that it looks pretty. That's not really to hold it, you know? Ooh, this is coming out nice for me not being a pro already. I'm liking it. I'm just doing like a little fold right there in a triangular shape. Now I'm going to do another fold. I know you guys are probably thinking, why don't you angle the camera down? But you guys can see what I'm doing. I did another fold, and then now like this. I'm going to put a piece of tape right here. I think we might need another piece of tape. Okay, so that's good enough for right now. We have the lovely bag. Now we're going to get this box ready right here and shape it. That's all to it. And we're going to set the bag inside. Look at that. The bag fit in there just perfectly in this smaller box. So this was one of the smaller boxes. And the bag fit perfectly in that. This is like the medium size, because there's a smaller size that she gave me for like jewelry, if you're giving a gift, a Coach gift, or a keychain, a key fob. This medium size for this mini North-South tote. Just open up the lid to close it. And then she gave me a larger size also, but we don't need that. Larger one is like for a large tote. Look at that, you guys. So it's in there already. It's nice and in there. Oh, I forgot to do the, just for aesthetics. Just for aesthetics, right? We said we was going to put one of these on there. I almost forgot that. Let's put one of the Coach stickers on there. So when she opens it up, it's like, ooh, these are pretty thick. They're thick. I thought it was just like a thin piece of paper. Okay. So we put one on there like that. So when she opens it, it'll look nice. Let's put one on this side also. Even though it's not holding anything, just so that, you know, it looks cute, because she gave me a lot of these. So let's put another one on there. So when she opens it up, it's like, okay. Okay, so we put another one on there right there. Now let's put it in the box. There we go. Now that looks cute in the box, right? That looks like it was gift wrapped by Coach. Come on, you guys. Coach Outlet. Okay, let's close it. Okay, now we're almost done, almost over. We have the box right here. And we could even put one of these stickers on the box right here as well, or right here maybe. We could even put one of the stickers right there. That'll be fun when she opens it. There's gonna be stickers everywhere, you guys. Okay, so I decided to just put one right there to keep the box closed. Now it's time for wrapping. It's time for wrapping. Let's go ahead and wrap it. Let me get another piece of my candy cane. Okay, let me get another piece of my candy cane, you guys. I hope I'm not making a mess in here. Okay. Okay. Now, since we did this one with this, with the peppermint wrapping paper, I think I want to go with the, should I go? The white snowman is such a big piece to handle right now for that small box. And I did one with the peppermint paper already. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one for another box, another package. Let's go ahead and use the red snowman. Let's move these out the way. I'm going to use this one. So first thing I'm going to do is just cut a piece. Let's put center of the box to see if we have enough space. And I like to flip the box upside down so that when I tape it, it's on the bottom part of the box. You know, I don't want to put it on this part and mess up this nice part of the box. So we're going to be taping this side. So let's flip the box upside down. And let's just cut enough right here. And I usually just pull the wrapping paper up and do like this to see if that's enough. So I think this length right here, give it a little bit more. It should be enough to cover this box. And get to cutting. Ah. And I know the edges are jagged, but don't worry about the edges being jagged because we're going to fold the edges under. We're going to fold the edges under. Now we can move this out the way. So we have a pretty good sized piece of wrapping paper right here that we're working with. Let me show you guys. We got a pretty good sized piece of wrapping paper that we're working with, okay? Whoopsie. Put the box up down there. Okay. Now we're going to fold it up. Fold it up. Work with me, paper. Yeah, so that was I did a good, without measuring or anything, a good judgment of the size. Now I'm just gonna, just a little bit, I'm gonna fold a little piece under so it looks like a clean edge. Just fold that wrinkle, because you know I cut it jagged with the scissors. So just fold a little piece, just double it under. That way when you fold a little piece under like that, let me show you. At least this is the way I do it. When you fold a little piece under, you see how now it has a clean edge? It doesn't have that gnawed edge that the scissor did by just folding it under. So I'm just gonna fold it under like that, and let's get to taping. I'm just gonna use this regular, this is dollar store tape. Dollar Store had Scotch tape for the, they had an actual Scotch tape for the Christmas season. But this is just the regular Dollar Store brand tape. That's okay. But I saw that Scotch tape came in for the Christmas holiday season to the Dollar Store. I was like, what? They got Scotch tape, real Scotch tape? Okay. All right. Now, the ends are a little bit, that's excessive. There's a lot here, and that's going to make it look bulky, and we don't want that. So I'm going to cut some of this off the edges, just enough so I can fold it. You know, we just want a nice, clean fold. It's a little too much. Get rid of that extra paper. Let's do the same on the other side. Cut off some of that excess. I mean, there's going to be a little bit excess that we're going to have to work with, but at least it's not too bulky. And don't throw this piece away, you guys, because you see this piece right here? This is still a nice size piece of wrapping paper that you can wrap some earrings or a bracelet. You can wrap something small, a ring, in this wrapping paper. So we're not gonna throw this away. We're gonna try to just put it to the side so we could use that, because wrapping paper, everything is expensive, so we don't want to waste wrapping paper. Now look at what we're working with it. Now it's a lot smaller and more compact. Now I can make my little folds on the side to finish wrapping it. Now the one thing I did forget to pick up, you guys, are the bows. So I'm gonna have to make another trip to Dollar Tree, and I'll just go ahead and add the bows after, the ribbon and the bows after. But that's how I'm starting to fold it right there like that. And I just do like a little triangular fold. Now, once I do the triangular fold, once again, looks like a Tootsie Roll. Okay, I'm just gonna bend it a little so it has a clean end. Bend it right there. I folded it right there so that it has a clean, I folded this little end part over because I don't want to just pull it up like this and then make it look like long and uneven. So I'm just going to make a little bend right there, a little fold, and then fold it up. Now you have a nice clean end that you can tape. Go ahead and tape that. Go ahead and tape that. That's what it's looking like. We might add some more tape after I'm done, but that's what it's looking like. Let me do this side, because this one I need to add some more tape to as well. It's looking a little, okay, there we go. All right, that's better. Adding tape. I'm gonna add 2 more pieces of tape to this one just to make sure it's good. And then we'll come back later if I need to and secure it with more tape. There it is. This is what it looks like, you guys. It's all done. Now, the only other thing I'm going to do to this, what I'm going to do is present it under the tree and present it to her in this bag. So we're going to put it in a Coach bag so she's going to know she got something Coach coming. And we're going to take it and just put it in here like this. And it fit perfectly. Now, the only thing we need is a bow and some ribbon off this bag, you guys. And it'll be all set to go and gift my sister. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I wrapped my sister's Christmas present, the North-South Mini Tote by Coach in the color Gray Mist. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me for more videos, more Christmas videos. Just stick with me for more videos, you guys. I'm still eating my peppermint. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.